If you love egg rolls, but not that grease and the high carbs, then this egg roll in a bowl recipe is what you're looking for. It's low carb, high protein, easy to make, and it's budget friendly. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am making this phase of my life the best phase of my life with healthy, nutritious recipes and exercise. Thank you guys so very much for being here. Yes, today's recipe fits the bill as far as my nutritional needs are concerned. I am trying to cut back on the carbs, trying to cut back on the fat, and make healthier choices. And this egg roll in a bowl is exactly what I need, you guys. It is low carb, high protein, easy to make, budget friendly. And you guys, being 60 years old with a crazy hectic schedule, it fits the bill in all of those categories. So everything that you need to put this delicious recipe together is up there on the screen. And not only is it good for either lunch or an early dinner, but it's also perfect for a meal prep as well. And I am all about that, you guys, making the most effective, efficient use of my time, but at the same time, planning in advance so that I can ensure that I am giving my body the nutrients that it needs, even when I'm not at home. So without further ado, you guys, gather everything up, come in close, and let's make this delicious egg roll in a bowl together. Coming up next. Okay, everyone, we are going to start with cooking our meat. So I need to put some avocado oil in this wok. And of course, you can use a non-stick skillet as well. Spread that around. Okay. Now, the meat that I am using is some ground turkey. If you prefer pork, then that's exactly what you are going to use. But in this house, ground turkey is it for us. But I will say that what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this ground turkey and I'm going to proceed to add in some seasonings that will give us the feel of an Italian sausage. So into our wok this goes. And we're going to add in our seasoning. So I've got some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, some paprika, Italian seasoning, and to give it that Italian sausage flavor, I've got some fennel. Sprinkle that in, mix this up, and then proceed to cook this meat until it is no longer pink. Okay, now that our meat is ready, it's time to add in our cabbage and our carrot, otherwise called coleslaw. And to this, we are going to add our garlic and our grated ginger. And for that delicious umami flavor, we are going to add in some soy sauce and some toasted sesame oil. Mix this together. And that aroma, oh my gosh, you guys, absolutely delicious. Now that this is all well combined, we are going to proceed to cook this until these veggies are nice and tender, for about 5 minutes. And our egg roll in a bowl is ready.